Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce training videos. In this video we are going to study variables, methods and classes. So let's see some definition about this and then we can go and see our log org. So you cannot use any of Apex reserved keys when naming variables, methods and classes. Like you cannot just write Apex or classes or methods, variable or list, test, account or opportunities, deal. So these keywords are reserved. So you need to write some other words with them. So this includes words that are part of the Apex and Lightning platform. As you know, all our codes, they are being compiled in Lightning platform. So reserved keys are important to know. Otherwise, it gives some errors like S object names, which are standard in the list, test, set, this kind of things. Using variables and expressions, Apex is a strongly typed language. That is, you must declare the data type of variable when you first refer to it. Apex data types include basic types such as integers, date, boolean, as well as more advanced types such as list, maps, object, and S objects. Variables are declared with a name and data type. You can assign a value to variable when you declare it. You can also assign values later. Use the following syntax when declaring a variable: data type, variable name, and assign a value to this variable. So let's go and see the implementation of this. Before this, we can go to our developer console and then let's open. Now I will close this. I will create a new class just to show you. New class. Let me try to write class. You see, doesn't accept. So what I need to do is I can write a demo class, but this class, if I have one more than this, like this one, then it will not accept with same name. Demo class or test class. Let's write, maybe I have test class. As you can see, it created directly public class, and then this can be changed, but in outer class you must have name of class, and this is the name of your class. All the methods you can write here and then execute. Or for C, to implement and then to debug the things, we need to work with anonymous window. Now what I will do, I will declare integer x or my data types. So I already show you here. Variable data type is here, and then name of variable, and we assign a value. This assigning value you can do same time with this statement or later. Let me do that. X equals to, if I don't assign here, it's fine. There is no mistake. You see, I have no mistake. Let me, okay. As you can see, I have no problem. I can assign like this: x equals to 5. Don't forget, I will comment out semicolon is not optional, because at the end of each statement you have to put semicolon. So there is no mistake, it is in my org. But if you want to print it, then you need to system.debug my number on console, you can put gap and then colon and then execute it. Go to debug only. My number on console is, so this printed that, but what I didn't do, I didn't put anything and parentheses to print. So you have to add what? X. Then let's see now. My number on console is 5. So what I did, this is my class, yeah. So what you can do also this way, you can erase from here just to reduce the number of work. This equal means it is assignment operator. 5. You see, you can give a value. Look at this last part. Variables are displayed with a name and data type. Yes, two things are important. You can assign value to variable when you declare it. You can assign value later. As you can see, I did both of the scenarios. So let me again execute it. As you can see, again it is 5. So this is the explanation of this part. My syntax, it can be string. I will do for string as well. Like for string, string is data type. You cannot write again string. It is reserved keyword. It is CTR. Assign string are assigned in single quote. Then string my name is Nasir. And then if you don't put semicolon, and then write system debug. My name, and then here in print you have to put variable to print it. If you don't put variable, then you have to put semicolon in both. Otherwise, what you can do, just comment out this part and this one, only this. Or if you don't comment, you can only execute highlighted. My name is Nasir. So this is an example of string. Let's go to next page. The following variable has the data type of integer with the name of count, has the value of 0. As you can see, you can copy these all parts here in our developer console, and then you can read. The following variable has the data type of integer, has the value of 0. Right, this one. And if you want to print, just print system.debug and then count. If you don't want this part, you just directly put variable name, and then it will, then the following variable has the data type of decimal with the name total. Note that the value has been assigned to it. You see, note that no value is assigned to it. If you don't assign any value, by default it is what? It is null. Let's see this one. Okay, not this one, sorry. I will come here down and then try to print, sorry, system dot debug total variable you have to print, and then just execute highlighted part and see what happens. Null. So in Apex, if you don't assign a value to a data variable, it is by default it is null. The following variable is an account variable data type, and then which is also referred to as an object, my account, and then there is no any new account, only list is empty, or the object, there is no any created object here. So if you print, what you will see? Execute highlight. As you can see, account has empty. There is no value. So this is the, then we can come to next part, using statements. A statement is any coded instruction that performs an action. A block, this is a statement actually. If a block is a series of statements, and we write statement in blocks. As you can see, this is like from here curly brace to here, it is one block area here. A block is a series of statements that are grouped together with curly braces and can be used in any place where a single statement would be allowed. For example, this is my statement. If true, then print this. If it is not true, then it will come to else. If statement is true, like we can do a simple example about this. Just copy and paste it, Control C. If 2 greater than 1, it will print this one, otherwise it will print second one. One. Or you can write something here, some name. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. This is, if it is not, it means 2 is less than 1. You have to put in single quote, sorry. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. Yeah. So this is simple examples of variables, classes, and then statements. What are they? When we declare them, what is important? I hope you have understood and then got something new. Thank you very much.